To another primetime news follow-up now. The InDrive taxi operator who was arrested in connection with the kidnapping of a UTech student, Anissa Dilworth, has been charged with her murder. We have more in this report.
29-year-old Jamar Grant, a resident of Bull Bay, was charged with the offenses of murder and kidnapping on Wednesday by the Portmore CIB. The charges were laid after DNA test results confirmed that the remains found near Fort Clarence Beach on May 17 were that of missing student 20-year-old Anissa Dilworth. Anissa was reported missing on May 7 after boarding an InDrive taxi on May 6. But the ride-sharing company said its records showed that her last ride using the app was in 2024 and the accused driver's account was created afterward. InDrive said based on the available data, there was no record indicating that the incident occurred during a trip arranged through the platform. Investigators, along with specialized units within the JCF, launched a probe into Miss Dilworth's disappearance. About 11:30 a.m. on May 17, police were alerted to the discovery of skeletal remains at the beach and went to investigate. Grant was taken into police custody for questioning. Carrie Simpson, TVJ News.